Hello, everyone, and welcome back to VisualShadowingLab. I am Lena.
And I am Noah. We are so happy you are here with us today in our cozy little corner.
Yes, grab a warm cup of coffee or tea, find a comfortable seat, and let's relax together.
You know, Lena, I had a very interesting morning today.
Oh, did something special happen?
Well, not exactly special. It was actually a little embarrassing.
You can tell me. We are all friends here.
Okay, so I woke up early. I felt very motivated. I looked at my English book and said, today I will study for 2 solid hours.
Wow, 2 hours? That is a very big plan.
Exactly. I sat at my desk, I opened my book, and then my phone buzzed. Just one small notification.
I think I know where this story is going.
I told myself, I will take a tiny 10-minute break, just 10 minutes to look at this funny video.
Just 10 minutes. A very famous lie we tell ourselves.
Yes, the biggest lie. I watched one video, then another video started, and another.
And what happened to the 2 hours of English study?
Gone. I looked at the clock and 1 hour and 15 minutes had passed. I felt so guilty and completely exhausted.
Oh, Noah, please do not beat yourself up. I do that too. Sometimes I open my phone to check the weather and suddenly I am reading about penguins in Antarctica.
It makes me feel like I am pouring my time on the floor, like water from a bottle. You pour it out and you can never drink it again.
That is a beautiful and sad picture. Time is like water. But I want to tell you something important.
I am listening. I really need some good advice today.
You are not lazy. You just made your plan too big. 2 hours of study is a giant mountain. Your brain got scared and ran away to watch funny videos.
So, what should I do? If I do not make big plans, how will I ever improve my English?
We need to talk about the magic of a tiny plan. Think of a plan like a GPS in your car.
A GPS? How is a plan like a GPS?
If you get in your car and do not type an address into the GPS, what happens? You just drive in circles. You waste gas. You waste time.
That is exactly how my morning felt. I was just driving in circles on the internet.
Yes, saying I will study for 2 hours is like saying I will drive to a random place. It is too vague.
So a tiny plan is like typing a very clear, simple address into the machine?
Exactly. Instead of 2 hours, you say, I will learn 3 new words today, or I will read 1 page of a story.
That sounds almost too easy. Can I really improve if I only do that?
Yes, because small steps are good steps. Even small steps are wonderful steps. If the step is tiny, you will not feel overwhelmed. You will actually do it.
I really like that. It takes the pressure off. I can definitely learn 3 words without feeling stressed.
And we also need to talk about how you use your time. Have you ever heard of pocket time?
Pocket time? Like time inside my jeans?
Sort of. Think of your daily time like coins.
Okay, I have big coins and small coins.
Yes, you have big coins like a 1-hour block after dinner, but you also have many, many small coins, 5 minutes waiting for the bus, 10 minutes boiling water for pasta.
Oh, I see, and usually I just throw those small coins in the trash. I pull out my phone and let the time thieves steal them.
Time thieves. That is the perfect word. Social media apps are time thieves. They steal your pocket time.
So, if I use my pocket time for my tiny plan, I can learn without needing a huge 2-hour block.
Exactly. You listen to 1 short English audio while washing the dishes. You say 3 English sentences while waiting for the elevator.
I feel so much lighter already. I was carrying a heavy mountain, and you just turned it into a small stone.
I am so glad you are not alone, Noah. Everyone who learns a new language feels this way. Mistakes are part of learning, and wasting time occasionally is just being human.
Let's do a role play. I want to practice using my pocket time right now.
Great idea. Let's imagine a real-life scenario. You are waiting for the bus. It is raining a little bit. You are bored.
Okay, I am at the bus stop. I am reaching for my phone to scroll mindlessly.
And suddenly, I call you. Ring, ring.
Hello, Lena? I am just waiting for the bus. I have about 10 minutes.
Perfect. Do not open that social media app. Let's use this pocket time to practice simple English. Look around you. What do you see? Use short sentences.
I see a bus stop. I see a gray sky. It is raining.
Beautiful. Keep going. How do you feel?
I feel a little cold. I am holding my umbrella. I want a hot coffee.
This is amazing. You are thinking in English. You are not translating big, difficult words. You are just living in the moment.
It actually feels very peaceful. I see a red car. I see a dog walking in the rain.
You are turning a boring wait into a small English classroom, and it costs you 0 extra time.
I like this. I can say, the bus is late. I am tired. I will go home soon.
Yes, that is exactly what I mean. Stop thinking so much and just start talking.
When I use simple words, my brain doesn't hurt. I feel safe.
Simple English is powerful English. You do not need to sound like a dictionary to be a good speaker.
I think many people listening right now can try this today. Just look around and describe the room in English.
Yes, even if you only know how to say this is a cup or the sky is blue, it builds the habit.
I am ready for the next step, Lena. Let's get our listeners involved.
Let's do it. It is time for our shadowing session. This is where you, our wonderful listener, get to speak out loud.
I will say a sentence clearly and slowly. You listen, then you repeat after me.
Do not worry about your accent. Do not worry about being perfect. Just open your mouth and let the sound come out.
Exactly. Let your English plant get a small drink of water right now. Here we go. I am learning English.
Good job.
I am learning English. I don't want to waste my time.
Keep going.
I don't want to waste my time. I have a tiny plan today. I have a tiny plan today. I will learn 3 new words. I will learn 3 new words. I am not afraid to speak.
Believe it.
I am not afraid to speak. I use my pocket time well. I use my pocket time well. Waiting for the bus is practice time. Waiting for the bus is practice time. I stop overthinking. I stop overthinking. I just start talking. I just start talking. Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes are part of learning. I am proud of my small steps. I am proud of my small steps. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. One day at a time. One day at a time. I will not give up. I will not give up.
Amazing. You sounded so good. Give yourself a massive pat on the back.
You really did a wonderful job. Moving your mouth is the hardest part, and you just crushed it.
Remember, you are building a muscle. Every time you repeat a sentence, your brain gets a little stronger.
I feel energized just by saying those sentences. It is so much better than just sitting in silence.
Yes, action kills fear. Now, let's move on to a very important part of our show.
It is time for the vocabulary breakdown. We have 5 super useful expressions for you today.
We will explain them in simple English and you will understand exactly how to use them in your daily life.
Let's start with a big feeling word. Word number 1 is overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed.
This is a heavy word. It means you have too much to do, too much to think about, and your brain feels full. You feel like you cannot breathe.
Yes, like when you look at a huge English grammar book and you just want to go to sleep, you feel overwhelmed.
Exactly. Let's practice it in a sentence. Repeat after me. I feel overwhelmed when I have too much work.
Perfect. Now, word number 2. This is our favorite concept today, pocket time. P-O-C-K-E-T-T-I-M-E, pocket time.
Pocket time is the tiny, small moments of free time in your day. 5 minutes here, 3 minutes there, like small coins in your pocket.
Don't throw those coins away. Use your pocket time. Let's repeat. I use my pocket time to listen to English.
Excellent. Now for word number 3. This is something dangerous. Time thief. T-I-M-E-T-H-I-E-F. Time thief.
A time thief is something that steals your time but gives you nothing good back. Mindless scrolling on social media is a huge time thief.
It steals your minutes. Let's say it together. My phone is my biggest time thief.
Great job. Word number 4 is a positive one. Intentional. I-N-T-E-N-T-I-O-N-A-L. Intentional.
When you are intentional, you do something on purpose. You choose to do it. It is not an accident.
Like making a tiny plan instead of just hoping you will study. Let's repeat. I want to be more intentional with my time.
Beautiful. And our last phrase for today is very descriptive. Go through the motions. G-O-T-H-R-O-U-G-H-T-H-E-M-O-T-I-O-N-S.
This means you are doing something, but your heart and your mind are not there. You are acting like a robot.
You wake up, you go to work, you come home, but you feel empty. You are just going through the motions. Let's practice. Sometimes I just go through the motions at work.
Those were fantastic words. Pocket time, time thief, intentional. These are words you can use every single day.
I hope you try to use at least one of them tomorrow. Write it in a notebook or say it to your mirror.
Lena, I think we have covered so much good stuff today. I feel like my brain had a very healthy workout.
Me too. And I want to remind everyone listening, life is a journey. Language learning is a journey.
You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep showing up, even if it is just for 5 minutes.
If you only studied for 10 minutes today, that is a victory. It is much better than 0 minutes. Be kind to yourself.
Before we close the episode, we have a little task for you. We love reading your comments and seeing your progress.
Yes, please go to the comment section below. We want you to fill in the blanks of this sentence.
Here is the template. I'm from Cure City, and one small step I will take for my dream tomorrow is Cure City.
I will go first to give you an example. I'm Lena from London, and one small step I will take for my dream tomorrow is reading 2 pages of a book while I drink my tea.
Perfect. Here is mine. I'm Noah from Sydney, and one small step I will take for my dream tomorrow is listening to one English song on my way to work.
We read every comment, and we will be cheering for your small step.
Thank you for spending your valuable pocket time with us today. We appreciate you so much.
Have a beautiful, intentional day. Do not let the time thieves win.
See you in the next episode of Visual Shadowing Lab. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling and keep speaking.